Meredith is in the shower right now. She had asked me if I could make some German pancakes, but for that I need milk, and we're kind of out of milk. There's not really a lot in the fridge right now because we have to go grocery shopping. But I refuse to not have anything ready for her when she's out of the shower. I want her to still be able to have breakfast before she leaves for her daily activities today. So I will be doing something else. Really cold outside right now, but whatever. Yeah. Get some of these bad boys. There's no milk, so.
Oh. Yummy.
Break Kaffee Melonroast. Break Kaffee Melonroast. Break Kaffee Melonroast. Alright, so I was getting kind of upset because I was missing this slide thing here for that side. IKEA messed up on their packing. It's a beautiful desk either way. This camera died earlier, so I set up the GoPro up there on the fan, just straight up clipped it on there. And so I charged this camera, and it's charged now, obviously I'm using it. As I go to grab the camera, put the new battery in, I notice this. Sorry IKEA for judging you too quickly. You're amazing. This desk is perfect. It's sturdy. And I have all the pieces. Thank you. Break up from my both.